Alright, webare kutureba ari NKORE MEDIA TV, nyeta Beazine ZJ, Serebo Wambara, NKORE MEDIA TV. We are the leading online television here in Western Uganda. Ncho tukujirangu, we are here to give you what is happening in Western Uganda. Echinta chiri munchibaho ebirunje byo ine kumanya kurwa hanuyo omuriburenje bwizoba ntuba turiho kugira ngo tubikusiho. Omurembo rwambara nimwe turi nimwe tukuhereza tukuruga, and right now ntuba turiho kugira ngo tukwanjurire ebirunje biri munibaho. Eshaha erizoba nizoba rya Sunday ebiro nabiri na mukaga. I think nibyo turimu tuyigura hano ya hotel insya nunji munonga nabajeta MUJU hotel. Of course MUJU hotel eryaha omukijungu kandi ayingambera lyana na director ningashi omukuru ari kurira hotel eji nundi muningamnira nawe atugambere nibigenda bita kandi abwenshi tuyigure ki omwanya ogu tube tubuzire muki ebisya ebiturimu tuza kumanya nibiha niwe ryo ko rukutureba ari NKORE MEDIA TV umanye omwanya ugoyine kuhikamo kachakariramu wahiko murembo rwambara. Sebo twakwakira omukuru wasibota sebo
Yose wasibota
nasiba kurunji orunyankore ne rukwanguhira ninga tukoze rujungu
azu byambi nyanguhira
ibyo nane bukwanguhira mbakweto ori live ari NKORE MEDIA TV
banyeta mayanja Andrew mukuru wa MUJU hotel niyo mukuru wayo. How is MUJU hotel erinkahi? Why did you choose to open it today? MUJU hotel neshangwa omukizungu warenga ha depot ya Coca-Cola. It's just there, so we decided to open it today. Just kuja evene ekatankomu after lockdown.
Yeah.
Konkat ija ya tia sounding so student kola drive to aji marketing so to ateko ka simple part ko kokeriza ba customer bitu no ku bachira to ajala mtu ijigule today.
So, all right, MUJU hotel, what is the difference? Echirunje chirimu munonga, the difference that everyone watching us, or anyone who would listen, anyone who will listen to MUJU hotel, akahuri chigambo MUJU hotel, the difference that you have, someone else doesn't have is what?
Yeah. MUJU, you see the difference the moment you enter.
Of course.
Yeah, because it's the most quiet hotel around Mbarara.
Yeah.
And its rooms are quite different. Each room has its own water heater. So all our customers, MUJU has the best menu around town.
I know.
It's well detailed. So everyone that comes at MUJU, he really sees the difference with it.
What could be something, you might be having strategies and some special events you'll be having. Is there any special event that will be happening over every month, over every day?
Yeah, no. We shall do monthly.
Monthly?
Yeah. Just to reward our customers. We shall always do some events. We call our customers, we reward them accordingly.
So omuntu aryo ko ari kutureba ari NKORE MEDIA akuja ati nyenda nyijari MUJU hotel enshaho yebenere mereta aruha abantu akuja ngo muntu wa burijo, it is affordable to come and attend this restaurant. You come in, you eat, we have food, we have drinks, we have good and nice looking rooms. Kuja ngo muntu wa burijo na chibasa ninga, it is something that needs elite and specific class of people.
No, MUJU caters for everyone. Everyone. High class, middle class, and low class. Caters for everyone. Yeah. In all sectors, bar, restaurant, and rooms. All caters for everyone. Yeah. All classes are catered for to MUJU hotel.
May we call ninjangu abantu bamwabijerizo bakushemererwa. You came to have fun.
For me, I'm here.
Wija kushemererwa.
Nyote niza kushemererwa ndio mtuzo wa.
Anyway, so we are back to you, manager. You can call upon people to also come have fun from here at any time. You're open from morning to evening. Shaha muri kuchinga ninga nimwigura.
MUJU tekukinywa. Ya MUJU tekukinywa. MUJU nekora kuruga kasheshe mpaka omwazi kuruga ikiro mpaka kasheshe. So ntubeta buri omwe otazoko kasobanjura. You just come to MUJU. This is a home away from home. That's all I can say.
All right, thanks very much. The leader over the head of MUJU restaurant and takeaway Twineho hotel mweno basa kushobora ebimwineho byona ntaka bishobora bakaja kandi natwara umurima.
Ni
bazo tugambere bitwineho byona.
Restaurant ya MUJU in a menu detailed. It's a booklet, so yeah. You can't mention everything.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you just want to know the best tastes in Mbarara, come to MUJU Hotel. It has MUJU kitchen as its delivery. Yeah.
All right, you can come. We have here a bar, restaurant, and hotel. It is a hotel with a restaurant, bar, and rooms. Yeah. You can come, eat, drink, rest. I get you. So MUJU Hotel nibakwetu asebo areba kanyama na ati na kayo.
Amazina manyeta ine Brian.
Ine Brian. Bakanyama bakaba batanamara kamache. Riwe ay
nemere ya MUJU.
Noriya jari MUJU.
Tokona ko wona kwingo mokire.
Iwa hano ukora nko.
Nyawe ni nkora nko muhwezi wa director. Kandi customer.
All right, omuntu takijera MUJU aferirwe ki?
Wotakatayiro muri umuza MUJU karara amekiro kimwe tinku maturity bya. Okwa rooms standard, accommodation bina bibonire, service twine ba waiter security ebonire munonga.
All right, we bari munonga rukuture ya NKORE MEDIA TV Nyeta Beazine ZDJ Serebu Wambara. I'm here with the director MUJU Hotel na nomuhwezi we yaha ariya nkoko mwatireba. Of course you're there, you're outside Mbarara, you're in Mbarara, always come and visit MUJU Hotel rya hano ya omukijungu azin wano shumo mu rubiri orwa hansi twe wano zo mu rubiri orwa hansi no basa kwijora behwaha. You have fun, have rooms, have restaurants, have enough drinks. Always come and visit this hotel. I'm here to promise you that we shall always give you what they do, and we are ready to present to you ebi naha byona ntuza kuba ntubaretera buterevano ya NKORE MEDIA TV. For NKORE MEDIA TV, I'm Beazine ZDJ of Savage ya camera rinda ke. You're the best. Thanks DM Swaga, thanks for supporting us. At any time NKORE MEDIA, we are there for you. I sign out for now. Mukama na